Hello, hello, hello. Let's make sure my chat's open. All right, hopefully that's big enough. Yeah, update my ZSH. All right. So today I thought it'd be fun to look at some ANSI colors. I thought that would be fun. Okay. So let's grab a page about colors. So this is the sort of escape sequence to do something. So for example, if you do this echo command, this /033, oh, I already had it. So I'm going to put some AAs in there. So your AA is your 6-1. So we can see that those are in the middle. Okay, so the actual escape sequence, if we're not looking at the actual sequence we're looking at is this 1B, 5B, and then 33. So I think the 31. Okay, so that's red text. So if we wanted a different color, so 31 is red. So if we wanted green, we'd do 32. Okay. And then, I don't know, can we have as many of these as we want? It's like a 1 and a 4. So if I just take off one of those, it takes off the underline. Or if I change the 1 to a 4, it puts in the underline. The 1 is bold. Oh, bold. Ooh, what about 5? I didn't see that, so that was good. Oh, I don't think I need a semicolon at the end. I don't see any blinking. Oh, well. Oh, what about a 7? Ooh, reverse. Ooh. Okay. So, what I'd like to do is, when we eventually get the Core Wars stuff made, I think, I think there's 2 ways to do it. One is to make the color encoding separate from the text that you want to display. And you could do something based on either, like something that would be super inefficient would be for every character in an array to have a color associated with it, or to be able to set a color for a particular area, and you can just look that up. I think either one of those is fine. Ooh, with Restream, I can do music. Oh, got to pay for some of those. I don't know if you guys want music on the stream. I don't know how to. Why will this not pick my picture? Guess I'll go with that one. Okay, so the point of being able to run this is like if you look at XXD, it's going to show you the actual bytes that are put in there. So I think that's helpful to understand when you're going to go and reverse engineer it and look at it. And I think that's the best way to get that. All right. So if we have our file, so if we do them in byte order, then yeah. So then we can just pick out the bytes as we go. So 1B, comma, 5B, comma. Let me look. When we define those, I think it'll let me do this. Let's just test. Make. Wonder if I have to do 0x. Like that better? Yeah. So if I do them in byte order, I can do the least significant byte first and then work my way up. So, and then we got in this example, so 33. We want a prefix, so 1B, 5B, 33. Oh, and then 32 is our color. Okay. What's 3B? So 3B is our semicolon. So we can define these a lot of different ways. Either way is fine. Semicolon. And then 37, I'm guessing, is the 5. No, the 7. Oh, I skipped ahead. 35. Yeah. Okay, I was doing 5, but let's do a 1. Semicolon. Is that 31? Yeah. Okay. So 3B is our semicolon, then our number, and then we do, is it the letter M? So 6D. What does the letter M do? Oh. So I think I need an M. I'm not sure what that, I guess that's a terminator. M. Which is 6D. Okay. See, and the last part's to reset. So that is 1B, 5B, 6D. Okay. Let's make our window bigger. Okay. Now I gotta put something in here. So an A, 0x6, that's 61. A. Call print string. Is that in my list? Maybe. We'll see. Oh, make. That did work. Well, oh, I probably need a null at the end. I don't think it liked that. Well, let's see. Print string. Unless I did my move wrong. I mean, I can do LEA. That is not what I was printing. Oh, see, I put it in R. That's the old one. racks. I got an A. Okay. Stupid. That's my old print string. Gosh darn it. I should fix that. And we could do it so that we are sort of doing this in phases. So let's do ANSI reset db. That is all of that. So that can be there. Comma 0. So then in our main, let's pull this down. So we want to do that. 0. Print string. And I know I messed the previous line up. And the line before it. So much messing up. And I have chat here to tell me all the stupid things I'm doing. Save, make, and ANSI. Boom. Tough acting, All right, so if I were to build this into an array, right, and copy the stuff over, like you could envision being able to write all this data to an array, so you don't have all these nulls, and then you only have one system call instead of like this one has 3. But it does make it easy to sort of set that. You know, we can easily change, you know, move by, let's see. If I can do this right, Rx plus 0, 1, 2, 3. So 32. Is it like that? Oh, well, I have 2 commas. That doesn't help. Zero, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I picked the same color. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 32 is, yeah, green. So I changed that to 31. Hey, change the color. And that is the text color. I think there's another one. So 33, I think, means background color. Oh. How do I set background? Let's see. Using the above, you can pick pink. Bracket 38. So 33, what is 33? I think there should be a better page about this. So our escape sequence. Oh, these codes are okay. So I can do one to set the foreground color and then one to set the background color. Okay. So bracket, so 38. So I think it's this. That's our prefix, escape, and then 5B. And then we do 38. Well, let's test this. Echo. Slash 033. I think we have to pick a number. I don't know, 20. And then hello. Okay. So if we do 38 and then I don't know what the 5, I think the 5 is for bold, right? I'm not sure I need the 5. Maybe I do. Yeah, I do. 38 and then the 5. Then I can say my color. Okay, so 151B. So I got a 3 and an 8, so 33, 38. And then a semicolon, right? 3B. And then 35 is a 5, and then my color, which is a 2, a 0, and an M. A 2, semicolon, 2, 0, M. Got it. So 3. $38. Golly. I got my 38. Oh. Semicolon. Five. Let's put spaces so the darn thing. Semicolon. 32 is a 2 and 0. And 60 is the letter M. So I got 0x33. I should put bracket 38. Semicolon 5, semicolon 20, M. The thing we want. Oh. Oh, okay. Line these things up. Text here. For color. I can't spell. 0x20. So a background is all of that except for we do 48. So instead of a 3, it's a 4. I got bracket 4. Oh, I'm messing up my text. Okay. Yeah. Oh, and of course I missed comma, comma. Oh gosh, comma, comma. So many commas. There we go. And this really should be, okay, I put the bracket at the beginning. 3. 8. So I should just copy all this. And then I can change this to a 4. To a 4. So let's change it from ANSI prefix to just ANSI foreground. Comment that one out. I gotta do make. Oh, I want my command. There we go. I saw it. Oh, line 9, of course. Did I forget something? I probably also need 0x0. What did I miss? Did I miss a comma? Oh, I put too many colons in. Errors, errors, errors. And I want ANSI background. Since I changed it. Okay, come on. Oh, look at that. Blue background. Well, that was interesting. Okay, so when we did do a foreground, so let's do so I did the background. That's an ugly color. Let's do like 62. So we want 62. So this should be a 6. And that's a 2. Why is that not? To me, 62 looks more purple. I don't know why that is. Let's do 105. Oh gosh, now I'm gonna have to add another byte. One, 0, 5. I'm not sure why. Completely looks different than what I'm seeing on this image. Well, okay, I guess that might be right. But 62 to me looked purple. I don't know about you guys. Looks purple to me. It's hard to tell. Of course, YouTube thinks that my title is different than what I thought my title was. Why is YouTube like that? Okay, so I guess we got our ANSIs. I mean, so what you really want is to be able to set this byte, and then I guess you could build it up, or you could have sort of a template of maybe you had, like if you take this and you give it, so it looks like there's 256. So if you give it enough for 3 digits, I think if you do I did a 105 in this one. So if you gave yourself 3 digits, you could set them. So I think if you did 005, that's going to be some other color. I think it's okay with having that. Yeah, XXD. So we got 005, right? You're adding 30 hex to whatever the number is, right, for digits, because that's doing it in ASCII that it's showing. So, if we try and sort of envision like what kind of control would you want? So would you want to be able to set the foreground, set the background, and then how are we going to store that? Are we going to just do a sequence at the beginning and if they're all the same, or just emit the foreground sequence or background sequence and then do a reset? That's one way to do it, right? So if we stick with the foreground, like we can change it. So let's go back to foreground. And we can manipulate some of these bits. So if we say foreground, the color is 20. So if I change that from 20, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I could use a word at offset 8, and I can use, so I want 31, 30. Let's try that. Not index XD. What? Hello there. Oh, why is that? That's 201. Oh, did I not count right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, but if I ride bytes 8 and 9, so I should do 7. Yep, 7, 7, 7. So if I do this twice, but I do it and then I do it without mod. Oh, and I need a but I should do non-mod, then mod. Otherwise, it's changed. Should have been a new line in there. Author X. Oh, I gotta print the text. Yeah. Print the text, print a new line, set the foreground, print the text. Yep. And I don't need it in XXD. Oh. Okay, foreground, print string. Text, print string. Foreground, print string, text, print string. Okay. I got my colors. I should put a print line at the end. Reset, new line. There we go. All right, so we can see that using this word allows us to control like how much data. We just need to make sure we start at the right spot. And remember that when we start writing, it's writing, because I'm defining these as bytes, it's writing this direction directly into those bytes. Yep. But I do like giving us sort of 3 bytes to, I wonder if it cares. I wonder if we do 4. if it would have a cow. So if I do a bunch of zeros, 0x, 0, 0, oh, I changed my offset, 0x, 0, 0, no, 30, 30, and 30. Wonder if it will freak out. So I need to add 2 to my index here. So my index would be 9. Nope. Seems, oh, that's okay. So that way you'd have an easier time writing this, right? You can pick the, so I'm doing foreground, so you can see if I line these up, 0, 0, 2, 0, M, null, I am a little confused on how /033 is that becomes 1B, 5B. So what is the, how does that become, well, maybe, oh, so maybe 33 is 1B. Is that decimal? Oh, calculator. So if I do in base 10, 33, so that's 21. One B. Is 1B escape? ASCII table. Hex 1B. 1B is escape. Okay. So 1B is the slash. So escape, and then the 33, I get 5B. Let's look at 5B. 5. Gotta find my hex. Five B is a bracket. So I guess this is the bracket. And that's the 38. So I don't understand how 33 5B, it doesn't. I'm confused. Escape. So why does /033? unless it just sees that that is escape, and then 33 it knows. Okay, so let's see. Restore, erase to the end of the line. Oh, so that does a thing, right? So 1B is escape. 5B is a bracket. So I guess if I did an echo 1B, 5B, pipe into XXD minus reverse. Oh, it's minus P? No. Which type is that? Yeah, P. Okay. So I guess the 0x, the slash, like this seems like just a bash sequence. I don't understand where the 33 comes from. Doesn't seem to correlate to like 1B, I guess. Let's see. 1B is, oh, that's octal 33. So I guess the slash 033 is the octal version. So if I did the octal version of uppercase A is 141. This is not what I want. Echo 141 is an A. Yeah, so they're doing an octal. Oh, that makes sense. So the 33 is for escape, but it's an octal, which is 1B. Sorry guys, I'm looking at this off screen. I'm looking at my other screen. So you can see that 1B is octal 33, 033. So it looks like if you're entering it, of course, you got to do a 0 in front. Otherwise, it thinks it's slash 41. Say I'm doing octal, and this is the number I want. So if I wanted a different thing, like a pound sign, that's 43. There you go. Now it makes more sense. So the 0x33 is 1B in octal. The 5B is our bracket. And we got 3, 8. I need a space there. And then I want these to line up. That looks about right. Perfect. All right. Well, I think that's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Bye.